guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today is a very bullish day as always in the crypto market. There's so much news going on. It's absolutely wild. And my trading bots on Bybit are actually going extremely well also. But anyway, I'm going to get into the news. And yes, I do apologize about not doing a video yesterday. It was just too chaotic. I'm getting my videos in earlier in the day, again, because things are getting extremely busy at the office. Now, Ripple and XRP as well, we could see $300 billion enter the market very, very easily. How high can Solana actually go? And Coin Bureau, by the way, bullish on your channel, mate, has put out some nice price predictions as well. BlackRock updates. Larry Fink was on, I think it was Fox Business last night. So we're going to play that as well. We've got the judge ruling again against Coinbase, which is really annoying. I'm not even worried about that, to be honest with you. We've got Ethereum designated as a commodity, which is going to be fascinating. KuCoin was sued by the Securities and Exchange Commission. And yes, like every time this happens or something goes under, everybody is withdrawing their funds from the exchange as well. It's going to be interesting to see what happens to KuCoin and LCX as well. Another gem in my opinion. Going to go over my 3 commas bots on Bybit now, which are in profit, which is incredible. So we'll get into that. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see here on the screen, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are just getting nuts in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find ladies and gentlemen do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? Formalities are out of the way, straight to community tab. Top altcoins in my portfolio, we have LCX. Again, this is an absolute gem in my opinion, literally tokenizing diamonds, which is awesome. We have SUI, another coin that I'm trying to dollar cost average into and essentially buy more of it, as everyone wants. Nexra, AGIX, and Sia Coin as well. And interesting poll that I put up in the community tab. Are you bullish on Solana? 64% of you have said yes, and 36% of you have said no, which is interesting, right? And that's out of 707 votes. Very, very interesting. Now, let's go to CoinMarketCap, have a look. We've got $2.6 trillion today, $115 billion in volume, 52% Bitcoin dominance. Of course, that is the OG. I would love to see Ethereum get flipped by XRP. Can't wait for that. Or, you know, alternatively, Solana. I just had my breakfast. We've got Fear and Greed Index sitting at 82. So again, it's slowly moving a little bit backwards right there. It was sitting at around about 90 for a while. So anyway, we're still bullish. Bitcoin sitting at $69,000 at the moment, down 1.15%. Ethereum's at 3,514. We've got BNB at 574. Solana's at 186 US dollars. 186 US dollars. This is crazy. All right. Now again, if you are sitting on significant gains, take profits, all right? Don't sit in your portfolio, take profits. Don't let the market take your profits, all right? Be mindful of that. XRP's at 61 cents. Now, again, I just want to make this point as well while I'm talking about these coins. I do hold a couple of meme coins that are Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, of course, Pitbull, which was just a gamble. That is it. I do not hold any other meme coins in the portfolio. I'm focused on real world utility. I get asked so many questions about this. Utility's king for me, all right? Stuff that's going to be building out the new payment rails of the future. Just keep that one in mind, all right? Polkadot, $9. We have Chainlink at $19. This was like over $100 asset in the previous bull market. Crazy. Scrolling down my favorites again, Mutable X, $2.94. Play to earn games, I think will make a massive comeback. XLM is at 13 cents. Scrolling down, VeChain at 4 cents. I mean, this has been doing nothing for over 12 months. Actually longer than that, but supply chain and logistics will move on to the blockchain, and that is particularly what VeChain is doing. Go look up the project. Now, scrolling down, believe it or not, I am trading that with my 3 commas bots on Bybit, and it's been doing extremely well. Sui's at $2.14, CFX at 48 cents, Quant is at $136. This has been flatlining for over 13, 14 months now. I'm still very, very bullish on it, of course. Let's have a look and see what else we can find here. That is it. Of course, XDC, Algorand, IOTA, Hedera as well. Absolute gems. Real world utility. Okay, people need to understand that. Anyway, let's go to Crypto Bubbles quickly. The Wall Street Bull University is linked below also. This is my official Patreon page where I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades, my indicators, the full setup guides to all of my 3 commas trading bots now on Bybit. So go join up to that, as well as my dividend investing, which provides cash flow every single month. And once crypto moons, they're all going to go into that, and that's going to be generational wealth, right? So I explain all of that in the Patreon, the Wall Street Bull University. We've got like 981 members, which is incredible. There is a free membership. You can feel free to join that as well. And there's the paid membership where you'll get access to all of my bots, and you can literally copy anything you want. There is also a chat feature in here where you can speak to everybody in the community, and you can also direct message me. But guys, 981 people is a lot to get to, so bear with me with that one. I will get to your messages. All right. Anyway, there's 1,877 posts. That's a lot of information. Go join up. I've kept it at $5 a month, which is nothing. That's $8.50 a month, and you will see in a moment what the 3 commas bots are doing on Bybit now. So I had to make the change because of the regulatory issues with OKX and the Australian government basically cracking down on OKX here. And of course, OKX doesn't want to get shut down by regulators. They are being compliant. Now, again, nothing wrong with that. You can't hate that. But again, I don't want to be stopped leveraged trading or trading in general, right? So that's basically what OKX has become in Australia. Simply a buy and sell exchange, or just buy and hold. That's pretty much it. And you can't really do much more on OKX, unfortunately. Anyway, having a look at 3 commas. Yes, there is a link below for 3 commas. I'm very bullish on this software. It's absolutely incredible. It's allowed me to trade the markets 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and make money while I'm sleeping. Who doesn't like that, right? So you can see on Bybit, I did set up a multi-bot, which I am going to share in the Patreon today. So trading 200 coins in the one bot. That has made $213 overnight. The single pair bots as well are trading on 15x leverage. Now, again, I do not recommend trading with leverage. Be very careful with this because you can lose your money like that. Again, if you're an emotional trader, do not do it. It's as simple as that. So I do have around about 50 bots trading on Bybit at the moment, which is nice. All right, in a long position, some on, again, 15, and the multi-bot is on 10. RSI indicator on a 3-minute time frame, and I am taking 1.5% profits on every single transactional deal. All right, people need to be aware of that. Now, link is below. You'll get a discount on your monthly membership and your yearly subscription as well if you want to buy out the whole year, so you don't have to think about it. So go and have a look at that. Having a look at Bybit right now, this is my actual portfolio right here, which is nuts when you think about this. So there is a funding account, then there's your unified trading account. It's annoying. It's taken me a little bit to get used to with this, but nevertheless, it's still bullish. Today's profit and loss were up $325, which is just crazy when you think about that. Having a look at that in Aussie dollars, if I just change it from USD to AUD right here, coming back, we're up $484 today, which is incredible. So really, really good. This is linked up with 3 commas. There is an API automatic connection to this. I've got 67 positions open at the moment, trading non-stop. Coming over to the open orders, though, there is 145. So open Bitcoin longs, close Bitcoin longs. So it's all done for you, which is remarkable. So that's 3 commas in a nutshell. Go check it out. It's unbelievable. Let's go to Crypto Bubbles. In the hour, we're starting to come back in the green. Doge is up 3% on the hour. It's still up again on the week, 25%, which is crazy. I'm still holding my Doge. I sold a significant amount of that off and put it into Bitcoin. ICP as well, up 54% this week. It's down 4.1 on the day. There is just a lot of FUD going on at the moment with the exchanges and Coinbase. Excuse me, I'm not even worried about that, to be honest with you. And of course, I have my bullish coins like Solana, of course, XRP, IOTA, all of the banking coins right here. Now, coming to Hedera, it's up 2.6% on the week, 77% on the year. So again, if you had a hold for 12 months, you'd be up 77%, which is ridiculous. You will not get these kind of returns in any other asset class. It's as simple as that. You will not get it. It does not exist. All right. Crazy stuff when you think about that. Move this ad right here. But Ripple, $300 billion enters market as XRP could be poised to skyrocket. How nice would that be? Digital asset market has experienced a return in 2024. The rally trends, obviously you can see at the end of March, which we're coming up to anyway. Moreover, the Bitcoin halving event is approaching very, very quickly, and a plethora of coins could be set to surge. Among those, obviously XRP, not Ripple, because they're two different things, who could poise to benefit from the $300 billion that has entered the crypto market cap in the last couple of months, which is insane. Goldman Sachs notes $300 billion crypto market influx as Ripple and XRP could benefit. And so far this year, the digital asset market has been surging. Spot Bitcoin ETF approvals in January led to Bitcoin to reach an all-time high of $73,000 earlier this month. Although the price correction has occurred, the market is still optimistic regarding the performance. Now, Ripple has a chance to benefit as $300 billion enters the crypto market, with XRP preparing for a surge. Indeed, the market increased could build on Ripple's overall prevalence and analysts ongoing expectation of its impending surge. It is very, very true that this particular project could skyrocket in value, and I cannot wait. Now, this is interesting, right? We've got Guy Turner from Coin Bureau, which is nice as well. In a video, again, the host of Coin Bureau tells his 2.45 million YouTube subscribers that Solana's weekly and monthly charts foreshadow a 35 to 45% breakout from Ethereum rival above the $300 price tag USD. Let me know in the comments about that. It is definitely possible, just staying optimistic and positive about that. BlackRock, again, there is an interview that took place, and he's very, very bullish. But check this out right here. Larry Fink, who was once an enemy of Bitcoin and crypto, and he's now one of the biggest pro-crypto names in with his applications for spot Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs as well, is making statements on Fox Business. We're going to watch that in a minute. And he's saying, we will consistently update and share Larry Fink's statements right here. He announced that he is bullish on Bitcoin in the long term. And he's saying this: I'm very bullish on the long-term viability of Bitcoin. We are now producing a market with more liquidity and more transparency, and I'm very surprised by that, and I would never have predicted that before. Spot Bitcoin ETFs are the fastest growing ETFs in history. And Charles Gasparino did do that interview. We're going to play that in a second, of course. Now, we've got the judge rules. The SEC can proceed with the case against Coinbase. And this was crazy, but the judge, Catherine Thalia right here, however, granted Coinbase's motion on its wallet. Federal judge has ruled that the US Securities Exchange Commission lawsuit against the crypto exchange Coinbase will move forward. Whatever. It's just going to end up coming down to a settlement of some sort. Now, Ethereum designated as a commodity by the CFTC. So the CFTC, Commodities Futures Trading Commission, and the SEC, the Securities Exchange Commission, are seriously going to have an argument about this, and it's going to be very interesting how this turns out. But recent development highlights the ongoing interagency right here drama between the US SEC and, of course, CFTC. The classification of major cryptocurrencies become a focal point of contention. Once again, the CFTC has affirmed its position that Ethereum and several other cryptocurrencies should be classified as commodities, which of course it should be. But, again, I don't like Ethereum because of the gas fees and the people behind it. Not really a big fan, to be honest with you. But anyway, it's going to be interesting to see when these guys have an argument. Now, again, Coinbase witnessed a $1 billion in withdrawals as an exchange accused of money laundering. SEC is trying to protect US from making money, which is interesting right here. And again, $1 billion is a lot of money to be coming out of an exchange, but one trader questions why the SEC is trying to protect traders from making money amid the exchange facing allegations. So they're just going to hurt investors, in my opinion. LCX bullish rating right here rises to 36 cents USD on Wednesday, and it gets a bullish rating from investors observers on Wednesday. The token is up 23%, while the broader crypto market is down 1.4%. So again, I'm very, very bullish on that. Moving on to CryptoMeter.io. Let's have a look here, ladies and gents, because I want to get this video done for you guys. I'm going to refresh this because this website tends to have a mind of its own, really. We've got money going into Ethereum, Doge, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Arbitrum, Filecoin, ICP. We've got BCH, Shiba Inu, XRP, which is nice, Sui. How good is that? let's have a look at this interview on X. And thank you to those 6,319 people that follow me on X. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Me and Johnny Deaton, absolute legend. True XRP leader. Come on, he is. We've got Emily right here. Thank you for this tweet. We've got Forbes mentioning XRP a lot in this article right here. Of course, it's so bullish. We've got someone just moved 2,000 Bitcoin that they first minted, mined, I should say, back in 2010. And they held from 20 cents to $70,000. That's insane. Love that. Chair Gary Gensler should get fired. I agree with that as well. According to Valkyrie's CIO, there is a greater likelihood of an XRP spot ETF making it through the SEC's cards than Ethereum, which is interesting. You got to think about this for a moment, because if that's the case, Ethereum went to proof of stake, which the SEC immediately triggered as a security when that happened. So XRP is not a proof of stake network. You cannot stake your XRP tokens. Potentially in the future now, and I believe you can on the automatic market maker in the liquidity pools. So it's going to be very fascinating to see what happens there. Kathy Woods right here again, unbelievable, but her price target is $3.8 million for Bitcoin, US dollars. How nice she looks. She's incredible. Now moving on, we've got $418 million of inflows yesterday, which is a lot. Morgan Stanley to approve Bitcoin ETFs in 2 weeks. We've got MasterCard acknowledges Ripple's innovative XRP-based remittance solutions. That is bullish right there. Fidelity just filed its S1 for their Ethereum ETF this morning. This is not an amendment, but this is their first. They had only filed a 19B-4 until today, which is nice. And over 95% of Bitcoin supply is now in profit. And I just want to point out as well that Bitcoin is starting to run out on exchanges. So do as you will, ladies and gents, but be prepared that the Bitcoin bull market and the crypto bull market is going to be an incredible next 2 years, and people need to be prepared for this. Don't go FOMOing in, lumping in huge sums of cash when it's too late. Stick to a plan, dollar cost average. That's what I'm doing every single week. Anyway, I'm out of here, guys. Have a nice day, and I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. Have a good night, good afternoon, and good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso like I'm going to do now. All right, peace out, bulls. Bye.